Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find the game, which is having the problem. Okay, this is an installation problem or installation error. So basically, find the game, click on the three dots besides it. Now go ahead and click on Manage. Now just click on this folder icon. Okay, move it away. For now, just go ahead and click on Verify if it's available. Click on it, wait for the process to finish, and once done, check if it helps. Okay, if not, while the folder is opened right here, close the Epic Games launcher, go to the bottom right click on Epic Games, hit on Exit. Now go ahead and tap on the blank space right here on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. This one will open. Just go ahead and find Epic. Okay, if there are Epic Games related service right here, just go ahead and close it. If you can spot one, just right click on it and just click on End Task. Once that's done, we have the folder. Click on Epic Games. Now delete the game folder, okay? Or you can just go ahead and move it away, like so. Close it. Now go ahead and find Epic Games Launcher once more. And in here, just go ahead over to Library, find the game again, reinstall it, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.